What's up? This your guy LP with S&W Service and Repair. And I just want to come to you today and let you know this shit will not come easy. I know a lot of you guys think that appliance repair is some overnight success. You just hop in, change a couple drive belts, put in a heating element, change a thermistor out on a refrigerator, and you just rolling in money. And that's just not the way it really goes, man. There's a lot of headaches, heartaches, and head bumps that go into this appliance repair. As long as you have integrity and want to do a good job, and if you're working for warranty companies, they definitely going to be checking the work. You definitely can't have these recalls. If you're working COD, you're definitely going to have to make sure the customer is satisfied and happy before you leave, because they don't want to pay you unless you actually fix their appliance. So it's not some get rich quick thing. It's going to be a lot of tiring days. It's going to be a lot of studying and more studying and more studying. There's going to be a lot of time spent just trying to get your processes down. In order to become more efficient, you have to be less efficient. And in saying that, in order to become more efficient, you're going to have to take time to document what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how you're doing it, so that you can do it that way every time. And it's going to take time to become a habit. So guys, you're just not going to hop in this thing and make $1 million and ride around in fast cars and things. Like, I know that's what a lot of young people want to hear, but it's not the truth. This is old-fashioned blue-collar work. And it's going to be the same thing over and over, repetitive a lot of times. Once you start getting the hang of it, it's not going to be flashy. It's not going to be glamorous. This is going to be something that you're going to have to invest your time and your energy in, a lot of your resources. Look here, I am tired now. I work a full-time job, and I do this as soon as I get off. As long as, you know, the customer will allow me in their home. And you have to understand that this is not just gonna come like that. So you're gonna have to put the work in. But it is very rewarding to walk into someone's household and their appliance isn't working, and when you leave it is. They're happy, they're grateful. Life better for them, for you coming. Now,